You understand basic English, but speaking still feels scary? Stay here and you'll start speaking simple English with more confidence, step by step.
Hello, friends. Welcome to English Learner's Zone, where you practice real spoken English through simple conversations.
Hi, Philip.
Hi, Jenny. How are you today?
I'm okay, just a little tired, but fine.
Yeah, I feel the same sometimes. Are you at home now?
Yes, I'm at home, sitting on my sofa.
Nice. I'm at home too. Just finished some work.
That's good. I like quiet time at home.
Me too. It's a good time to relax and think.
And a good time to practice English.
Exactly. That's what we're doing now.
Yes, I want to practice basic English more.
That's a great goal.
Sometimes I feel my English is too simple.
Simple is good, especially for beginners.
Really?
Yes, simple English is clear English.
That makes me feel better.
Good. How long have you been learning English?
For a long time, but not speaking much.
I understand. Many people study but don't speak.
I know many words, but my mouth doesn't move.
That's very common.
When I try to speak, I feel nervous.
Nervous feelings are normal,
Even with easy sentences?
especially at the beginning.
I'm glad I'm not alone.
You're definitely not alone.
I want to speak English without fear.
And you will, little by little.
I hope so.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast.
That's perfect beginner English.
Really? It feels too basic.
Daily life is the best place to start.
I never thought about that.
You can say simple things like, I am drinking tea.
I like tea.
Me too. I drink tea every morning.
Coffee makes me nervous.
Same here. Tea feels calmer.
When I speak English, I want to feel calm too.
Calm helps you think clearly.
Sometimes my mind goes blank.
That happens when we feel pressure.
Yes, pressure is my problem.
At home, there is no pressure.
I know, but my mind still feels tense.
Try speaking slowly.
Slowly?
Yes, slow speech feels safer.
I usually rush.
Many beginners rush.
Then I make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
I don't like mistakes.
No one does, but they help learning.
I need to accept that.
Exactly.
Do you think beginners should practice every day?
Yes, but just a little.
How much is a little?
5 or 10 minutes.
That sounds easy.
Easy is good for beginners.
Long practice makes me tired.
Short practice builds habit.
Habit is important.
Very important.
I want English to feel normal.
Then use it in normal life.
Like talking about my room?
Yes, you can say, this is my room.
My room is clean.
Perfect sentence.
My room is small.
Also perfect.
That feels doable.
Good beginner practice.
Do you talk to yourself in English?
Sometimes,
I feel silly doing that.
everyone feels silly at first.
Even you?
Yes, even me.
That makes me laugh.
Laughing is good.
Learning should not be serious all the time.
I agree.
Do you use English books?
Sometimes, but not always.
I depend too much on books.
Speaking doesn't need books.
That surprises me.
Your life is your lesson.
That's a nice way to say it.
Thank you.
When I don't know a word, I stop speaking.
Try not to stop.
But I feel stuck.
Use other simple words.
Like explaining?
Yes, explaining in easy English.
That feels less stressful.
Exactly.
I want to speak without thinking too much.
That comes with practice.
I think too much now.
Beginners always think a lot.
My head feels full.
Over time, it feels lighter.
I look forward to that.
You'll get there.
Do you practice pronunciation?
A little by listening and repeating.
I like repeating.
Repeating helps beginners a lot.
I repeat sentences quietly.
Try saying them out loud.
Even if my pronunciation is bad?
Yes, it improves naturally.
That makes sense.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, simple ones.
That's good.
Sometimes I pause and repeat.
Great habit.
Sometimes I feel bored.
Then change the topic.
Like what?
Food, weather, feelings.
I like talking about food.
Me too. What did you eat today?
I ate rice and vegetables.
Sounds healthy.
It was simple but good.
Simple food, simple English.
Yes.
Do you like cooking?
A little, not every day.
Cooking is great for English practice.
How?
You can say what you're doing.
I am cutting onions.
Exactly.
The food smells good.
Perfect.
That feels natural.
Natural is the goal.
I feel more confident now.
That's great.
This conversation feels easy.
That's because it's simple.
I don't feel scared speaking now.
That's progress.
Even beginners can enjoy English.
Yes, they should.
I want to keep practicing like this.
Then do it every day.
I will.
Talk about your life.
My life is simple.
Simple life is good for learning.
I agree.
Don't compare yourself to others.
I do that too much.
Focus on your own journey.
I'll try.
You're doing well already.
Thank you for saying that.
You deserve encouragement.
I feel more relaxed.
Relaxed learners learn faster.
I think English is not so scary now.
That's a big change.
Yes, it is.
Keep this feeling.
I will remember this conversation.
Good.
I'm happy we talked.
Me too.
It feels like real English.
That's the best kind.
Listen again, repeat the sentences, and practice every day.
Keep it simple, stay calm.
Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
Remember to practice what you heard and keep speaking confidently every day.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you won't miss our next video.
We'll be back soon with another real-life conversation for you to practice.
See you in the next video and happy learning.
Bye-bye.